This record is Two Sides by Lombard. The Birds and the Bees, and whatever will be, will be. Let's start with the Birds and the Bees.
In June, there's a moon above. Lovers in the air, so they fall in love. And the same thing happens with the birds and the bees as they flit among the flowers, as they nestle in the trees. Yes, the same thing happens with the birds and the bees, and it's happening to us tonight.
What the picturesque like to do for less, and orangutangs only doing gangs.
Why a love-starved whale starts to fan his tail, where the female is, you will find a male. Well, the same thing happens with the birds and the bees as they flit among the flowers, as they nestle in the trees. Yes, the same thing happens with the birds and the bees, and it's happening to us tonight. It's the reason why kangaroos jump high, and the trout and perch swim around and search, and this common urge makes a kitten purr. Where you see him, you will see her. Yes, the same thing happens to the birds and the bees, and it's happening to us tonight. Every bird, every bee,
Every he, every she,
just like you, just like me, is falling in love tonight. Just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Que sera, sera, whatever will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. When I was just a child in school, I asked my teacher, what should I try? Should I paint pictures? Should I sing songs? This was the wise reply. Que sera, sera, whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. When I grew up and fell in love, I asked my sweetheart what lies ahead. Will we have rainbows day after day? Here's what my sweetheart said. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. What will be, will be.
Now she has children of her own. They ask their mother, what will we be? Will we be handsome? Will we be rich? She tells them tenderly. Que sera, sera.
Whatever will be, will be. The future's not ours to see.
Que sera,